Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you're watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assistive Touch button is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can make sure that you have updated with latest iOS 17. So just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it. Now you can see software update, tap on it. Wait for few seconds. iOS 17.3 is up to date. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this is not working, then we go to settings again. Here you can see accessibility, tap on it, and here you can see touch option, tap on it. You can see assistive touch, tap on it. Here you can see assistive touch toggle is turned on, turn it off and turn it on again to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is reset the settings only. So just simply tap on settings here. Here tap on general, scroll down and you can see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Here you can see reset. Now you can see reset all settings, tap on it. Now you can see enter your passcode. Now you can see reset all settings, tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another is restart your device. So just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general, scroll down and you can see shutdown. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back and fix your problem. So if all this solution is not working, then we contact to the nearest Apple store to fix our problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.